Hey there, music enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest gear in the music world. Today, we've got something special for all you guitarists out there. The SONICAKE VolWah Active Volume and Wah pedal. This little gem is making waves for being the best-sounding wah pedal on the market. So, stick around as we dive into its features and sound quality. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our reviews of awesome musical gear like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First and foremost, what sets the SONICAKE VolWah apart is its incredible sound quality. The wah effect on this pedal is simply stellar, delivering that classic crybaby-style tone with a dynamic and responsive sweep. Whether you're into classic rock, funk, or any genre that requires a killer wah sound, this pedal has got you covered. One thing I love about this pedal is the LED lights. They indicate whether you're in active volume mode or wah mode. It's a small touch but a huge help, especially on a crowded pedal board. Green for volume, red for wah, it's that simple. Now, let's talk about build and size. The SONICAKE VolWah is compact, lightweight, and incredibly well built. It's perfect for those of you who want top-notch performance without sacrificing pedal board space or dealing with a bulky pedal. This pedal might look small, but it's built like a tank. You won't have to worry about it giving up on you anytime soon. Plus, the lightweight casing is a real bonus for gigging musicians who are always on the move. Besides its killer wah sound, the SONICAKE VolWah also serves as an active volume pedal. This versatility is a game changer. No more impedance mismatch troubles. It's an all-in-one solution for your volume and wah needs. Switching between volume and wah modes is a breeze with the hidden foot switch. It's super convenient, and you'll find yourself seamlessly transitioning between these modes in no time. To sum it up, the SONICAKE VolWah Active Volume and Wah pedal is a true gem in the world of wah pedals. It delivers outstanding sound quality, offers versatility as both a wah and volume pedal, and comes in a compact, durable package. Plus, those LED lights are a fantastic touch for easy mode identification. If you're in the market for a wah pedal that's not only the best sounding but also practical and reliable, this one should definitely be on your radar. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the SONICAKE VolWah Active Volume and Wah pedal. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow musicians. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one. Keep rocking. Until then, stay tuned for more gear reviews, and keep making beautiful music with the SONICAKE VolWah.